Phoenix versus Titan Ultra. And sa start pa lang, pinakitaan tayo agad ni Charles Chu ng kanyang opening play using the screen in the elbow area for the alley-oop papunta kay Richie Rivero. And what we see sa Phoenix is ginawa na talaga nilang focal point ng offense si Richie, which is nice. Tapos nag-i-slide na si Gosum sa small forward position. And in terms of scoring, yung Titan Ultra keeps taking bad shot selections. Unlike yung Phoenix, meron talagang nasusunod at nakikita mong umiikot talaga yung basketball. In the second quarter, patuloy pa rin yung scoring load ni Richie Rivero. Meron siyang green light to do his thing, tsaka balance tingnan within the flow yung ginagawa niya. Kahit kung titingnan natin, puro good looks Unlike nung mga tira niya dati, puro pilit. Tsaka kita natin yung adjustment ng Phoenix nung nag-iba yung defensive tactic ng Titan. They put in players that can destroy that zone. Sa offense ng Titan, ayun, Munzon and Gilmore lang din talaga Grabe, in a short period of time, parang ibang Fuel Masters na agad yung nakikita natin. In the third quarter, parang same show pa rin yung napapanood natin. Not a lot of changes for Titan Ultra. They can't stop the offense of Phoenix, though nakakasabay pa rin naman sila relying on their import. Yung Fuel Masters, ang ganda panoorin. They always find good looks and halos lahat ng tira nila is hindi mga force shots It's like puro komportable silang itira kada player. In the final quarter, ganoon pa rin yung Titan. There's no sense of urgency sa kanila. Not enough options on the offense, mas lalo na sa defense. Lalo na nung nag-decide na yung import ng Phoenix na makisali sa offense, doon na lumayo ng sobra yung kalamangan ng Fuel Masters. At ngayon, 2-0 na sila sa start and ito yung new era with Coach Charles Chu. Richie Rivero set the tone. Yung point guards nila is sobrang ganda ng pinakita. Tapos si Ken Taffen, biglang umangat yung confidence. So, GG's para sa first game. Phoenix win. So, second game, NLEX versus Magnolia. What a strong start para sa Manok. Jerome Lastimosa doing a great job facilitating the offense. Alam mo niya rin talaga kung kailan titira, kung kailan papasa. Yung last game na nangyari is marami pang mangyaring ganun sa kanyang young career. Pero nung nagpahinga siya is doon na umarangkada ang NLEX. It's hard to swallow pero Poly talaga has been a liability sa Magnolia dito sa bagong era nila. So second quarter, si Baroka is ibang storya. Kahit matanda na rin, pwede pa rin talagang maging big part ng roster. Can hit timely baskets and yung decision making na pwedeng makuha ni Jerome. Sili kasi, kita nyo naman yung nang sisisi pa siya. Ayun. So, speaking of Lastimosa, pagbalik niya, bumalik rin sa Magnolia yung kalamangan with his shot creation, yung creating looks for his teammates. Para sa akin, sa mga Magnolia fans dito, need tanggapin ng nyo na ibang era na. Need nilang i-embrace na ito na yung bagong cornerstone nila. Need to move on and bright naman yung future nila And then, NLEX, syempre, wag nating baliwalain sa larong to. They run the ball hanggang sa maging close ball game ulit. In the third quarter, puro na lang tayo Lastimosa. Ayun tuloy, nagpakita si Bolick na he's still better than any guards right now. And for Magnolia, na-deny na yung puntos ng puntos for them, which naging way rin para makapag-contribute yung likes nila Lucero. Kudos to them kasi they still swinging the ball kahit 4-on-4 gaming. And for NLEX, same din yung ginagawa nila Parang mirror match nga yung nangyayari. Kaya, ang sarap panoorin kapag itong dalawa yung naglalaban This is basketball. Close ball game entering the fourth. Sa end game, nasa dugo ata talaga ng Magnolia yung pagiging intro boys at choker. Kasi, where it matters the most, dun sila nawawala Naging problem nila yung defense. Simple ball screen action is nalilito sila. And grabe yung LJ Gonzalez. Not afraid in the clutch, embracing the moment. And marami pa tayong battles na makikita sa dalawang guard na to. The league is in good hands. Sayang yung steal ni Lastimosa dito, tapos matatapon lang ni Rome De La Rosa. And guess who's there? Gonzalez with the steal for an easy dunk by Lalane. Tas ang icing on the cake was Berto. Pinilit niya talagang magkaroon ng switch kay Lastimosa kasi mismatch nga. Then, ayun, nung may double team na pumunta, swing the ball sa open man sa corner, Shawnee Winston with a dagger. Key points for Magnolia is Javi Gomez de Leano. He needs to be consistent on his outside shooting kasi kaya nga siya kinuha because grabe yung kamay niya nung nasa terra firma siya. Tapos yung pinakawala ng Magnolia na si Jeric is having himself a career right now. Kaya pressure talaga to for Javi. 2-0 na ang NLEX, 0-2 naman ang Magnolia.